Alright, so I'm gonna take you guys along up here. So they came out on a service call. This is a chill water fan coil. So, ooh, got that light. Got that light, man. So anyways, we're on a chill water air handler. So they got a frequency drive, a little cheapy, little drive right here. It was given an F0051 fault. Means that it's overheating the drive, right? Could be from the exterior, the ambient temperature too hot, over current, and also the little cooling fan could have went bad in the drive, and a lot of times that's a problem. They use like a little cheapy fan, and they always give like intermittent problems, right? So I don't feel any air. I feel the drive heating up, right? And if you look, I don't know. You probably won't be able to see up in there. I don't know. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this camera around. I gotta stop the video. All right, so. Headlight on this one, but you can't really see it, but that fan is not spinning. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn off the disconnect. We're gonna take this drive down. We're gonna see, I'm gonna try to see if that fan is getting power. It's probably a DC fan. Maybe we can hack it together because I got another cheapy drive, a different brand. Maybe the little cooling fan's the same type. So if so, that'll be pretty cool. And here's another little bonus clip. Check this out. There must be a rat in the ceiling because you can see right here the drain line. The rat chewed it up, the rubber coupling, trying to get to the water. So let me get to this and we'll see what we find. All right, so now I'm out the facility. So you can see this fan, the wire is busted off. And I keep some, well, this is the fan that I just pulled out. I have this is an old drive. It has a fan in it, but I don't know if it'll focus. You can see that's a 12 volt. Anyway, that's a 12 volt fan, so it's not gonna work. This is a 24 volt fan. So what I'm gonna do, just to get the drive running, I'm gonna go ahead and solder the wire back on. And then maybe I'll order them a new fan or whatever. We'll see how it goes, type deal. We can order a new fan, maybe online. So I'm gonna clean that up. There won't be nothing to solder it back on. Looks like the black wire. Let me see. I'm gonna get to it. I'm just gonna solder it up real quick, and we're gonna order a new one because the black wire looks a little corroded too. So I keep all this in my van, a soldering iron with, well, these came from ECM motors and shit, some parts. I never had to fix an ECM motor, but I got some 12 volt relays for an ice machine that I can solder on. Sometimes you might not have the same relay, but you can add wire to the pin and then solder the other end of the wire onto the board and, leave your relay kind of hanging to the side or something. In a jam, you can get them going. Or if you have old circuit boards, you could unsolder this relay and keep it as a spare, couple parts. So it'll kind of get you through a jam. Looking for my soldering iron. Oh, this is my soldering iron. So I'm gonna go plug this in. We're gonna solder this up, put it back in the drive, and see if it spins. hopefully we get them going. So this is what I need right here. So, all right, this is gonna be temporary. I'm gonna order a new one, but just to get the unit back running. So what we're gonna do, got the disconnect off. So we're just gonna try this fan out. We're gonna see if it's running, right? Let's see if you guys can see that. You guys see that? Let's see. Baby's running. You can turn the power off. Let's see if you can turn off. All right, so we're in action now. I just gotta put this drive back together, turn it back on, and we'll order a new cooling fan. For a lot of you guys that do commercial maintenances, you need in there you got your heat sink. There's your heat sink. It gets real dusty. And also these fans get real dusty and they won't start. So when you're doing your maintenances in the buildings, you need to get your nitrogen with a little blow gun and blow behind the drives. Clean that heat sink and clean your cooling fan with some nitrogen to blow it out. Because what happens, they get clogged with dust and they won't start. So that's pretty much that. So we're just gonna go ahead and put it back together and start up the drive, and I should be out of here. All right.